As a demonstration of Real-Time Earth, as we're making a real-time scene around our office at Simtable and Redfish. So here's a 2D map view with a lot of cameras running. I'm going to pop into a 3D model here. This model was generated from photogrammetry as we flew around the office. So in some ways not waiting for Google to make a model of our world. Here's a live camera running right now as we look through that. This is currently running at our office. This one's low res for now, but we also be much higher res. And you'll see as we pop up here, here's a drone view. And you can see Cody driving his car and someone driving down the rail trail. But we're going to now take that as we're running in the browser and project that live onto the scene. So we're doing live texture mapping from Imagery that's on cameras that are running in the browser. So as Cody is driving through here, you'll see that this same drone has a infrared camera, which we'll turn on here. Now you can see the infrared of Cody driving, and play that here. So this is the motion of Cody's car coming around the corner here, and you can see we can actually move into Cody's view here. And this is what Cody is seeing as he's driving. We can also pop up to this camera and see it from this perspective. Also notice here as we project this image, let me turn off the infrared for a second, come back into this one. You can see how this is a very low-res model here, but if we project from this camera's perspective, we're going to project that onto the model, and you can see it lines up. And as we play it, you can see the curtains moving, and so we have a live 3D model here, and also saying, well, what can this person see from over? And this is just a phone running live tacked to the screen. That's it. Gives you an idea.